So today we are going to do the basic sentence formation in French. For the sentence formation in French, it is quite similar to English. Like you have the subject, the verb, and the object. The subject verb object formation is similar to English as said before. For example, je parle français. In here, your subject is je, which is I, which is the pronoun personal as you've studied in the previous videos. Parle is the verb, which means to speak. Français is the object, which means French. So for the next example is elle aime le chocolat. Just like before, elle, she, which is the pronoun personal, is your subject. Aimer means to like or to love is the verb, and le chocolat is the object, where le is the article definite we have studied before. Similarly, there's a third example for you. Ils habitent à Paris, where ils means they, which is the pronoun personal, and here we have used the verb habiter, which means to live. À Paris is the object. À is a preposition meaning to. In this context, it can be translated as in. So the sentence is they live in Paris. There are also another way in which the sentences are formed in French. One of them is il y a un chat dans ma chambre. Here we use il y a, which is like a fixed phrase meaning there is or there are, after which we have used the subject un chat and then the object dans ma chambre, where dans is the preposition meaning in, ma chambre is the place where the cat is, and in the fixed phrase il y a, the y, pronounced as y in French, is the existence or the location of the subject we are talking about. And here il is not a subject, it's just a dummy subject used here. And a here is taken from the verb avoir, which means to have, which is conjugated accordingly to the subject. So to the last way we are going to talk about in this video about this sentence formation is where the position is shown, like in this sentence c'est mon livre, which means it is my book. Here there is no SVO as followed. You can't see any subjects particularly in here. We have used c'est, which means it is, and mon livre is my book. As you can see, the subject, the book is the subject here. So here you can see it is shown, the position of the book is shown as it is my book. So there's another way of showing position in a sentence. Like in this sentence, we are going to show position of a person's possession to something. Like c'est le sac de Marie. Here we have used the, which is the preposition for the possession to be shown, and Marie is the subject to which the bag belongs to. In English, it will be translated as Marie's bag. So in French, we say it as c'est le sac de Marie. The is showing the possession of the bag to Marie, le sac de Marie. Hence, the sentence comes out to be c'est le sac de Marie. So this is all for the ways of sentence formation in French. In this video, we'll learn more about the French language in the next coming videos. Merci pour votre regard et à bientôt.